A ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot is at a distance. Its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meters from the wall. Such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meters from the wall, and its top reaches a window, and its top reaches a window 6 meters above the ground, and its top reaches a window 6 meters above the ground. Find the length of the ladder. I'll repeat again. A ladder is placed against a wall. A ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot is at a distance. Such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meters from the wall. Such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meters, is at a distance of 2.5 meters from the wall, and its top reaches a window, and its top reaches a window 6 meters above the ground, and its top reaches a window 6 meters above the ground. Find the length of the ladder. Find the length of the ladder. We will get the question. Okay. So there is a wall and there is a ladder. This is the ladder, for example. Wall and there is a ladder. This is, let's say, window, which is 6 meters. Foot of the ladder, that is over here, is at a distance of 2.5 meters. A, B, we have to find AC. Simple. We just have to find AC. We'll say let AB be the wall and AC be the ladder. Let AB be the wall and AC be the ladder. AC be the ladder. Let AB be the wall and let AC be the ladder. Okay, we have to find AC only, isn't it? We have to find AC. Okay, so in triangle ABC, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras. So what is AB over here? 6 square. BC 2.5 square. 6 square is 36. 6.25, which is 42.25. That is AC square. Therefore, AC equals to under root 42.25. 42.25. AC equals to under root 42.25, which is nothing but 6.5. 6 point. Therefore, the length of the ladder. Therefore, the length of the ladder is 6.5 meters. Therefore, the length of the ladder is 6.5 meters. Length of the ladder is 6.5 meters. If you're done with this, please let me know. Then we have another 3 sums to do. Even if you get logged out, please log in again. As I said, today, instead of your science class, I'll continue till we finish this chapter. Okay? There'll be no science class today. No ma'am's class today. Only my class till we finish this chapter. and then we will see. स्कूल में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर क्या चल रहा है आपके किहान? क्योंकि बाकी सब तो पीछे है, सिर्फ आपके स्कूल में क्या चल रहा है दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. हैव दे फिनिश्ड ट्रायंगल्स? Not finished triangles. Good. So then we'll go to the fifth chapter so that we have finished sequentially, because we have not done arithmetic progression. We skipped that chapter. If we are ahead of your school, then we'll start with AP. But that is anyways on Monday. तब तक अगर आपके स्कूल में कुछ, आपके स्कूल में कहाँ पर है अभी? What are they doing right now? Which exercise or what are they doing now? Kihan? 6.5. Okay. 6.5 is at the end of the chapter. That means they finished this. Okay, no problem. So by Monday, we'll know what they're doing. So whatever they're doing, we'll try and overtake them. Or if not, then we'll continue with arithmetic progression. But any which ways, we'll see that. और उसके बाद में I'm going to, after I go one more chapter, once I do, we are going to do chemistry. Okay, that part I'm going to do with you. Okay, so I believe you all have finished with this. Let's move to the next sum. This was very, very basic and easy one. Draw this figure. In the figure, if AD is perpendicular to BC, if AD is perpendicular to BC, prove that. Prove what? That's what we're going to see. BC is perpendicular to BC. Prove that AB square plus CD square equals to AD square plus CD square equals to BD square plus AC square. That is what we have to prove. Okay, that is what we have to prove. Now again, you'll see the moment there is a right angle that comes, I look at it as a right angle triangle, and I think in terms of Pythagoras theorem. So first I'll look at triangle ADC. ये वाला triangle ADC. This is 90. That means this is the hypotenuse. The solution in triangle ADC. AC square equals to AD square plus CD square. Pythagoras theorem. AC square equals to AD square plus CD square. Pythagoras theorem. Then take this triangle. In triangle ABD. AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Again, Pythagoras theorem. Call this equation number 2. Okay, call this equation number 2. From 2, subtract 1. Subtract 1 from 2. So what is 2? 2 is AB square. From this, I have to subtract AC square equals to AD square plus BD square minus AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square. When I open this, it will become AD square plus BD square minus AD square minus CD square. Minus AD square plus AD square will cancel. I'll be left with BD square minus CD square. AB square minus AC square. Okay. Shift this AC square this side, shift this CD square this side. So what I'll have is AB square plus CD square equals to BD square plus AC square. That is what I had to prove. BD square plus AC square. Please copy this. इसमें कुछ नहीं समझा है तो पूछ लो. कुछ नहीं समझा है इसमें तो पूछ लो प्लीज. Which part you didn't get, Kihan? This sum you are saying? Kihan, which part did you not get? This sum you are saying? Is this the sum that you want me to explain again? If that is the case, please let me know. Kihan, is this the sum that you want me to do again? Okay, you want me to do this again? Please understand. See, till here, this is what we have to prove. Now look at triangle ADC. In ADC, angle D is 90 degrees. Because angle D is 90 degrees, AC becomes the hypotenuse. Because AC is the hypotenuse, I'll say AC square equals to AD square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. That is the first. Then take this triangle BDA. Here also angle D is 90 degrees. So AB will become the hypotenuse. So AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. That is Pythagoras. By Pythagoras, call it number 2. Then from this, subtract the first one. So AB square minus AC square. AB square minus AC square equals to AD square plus BD square minus AD square plus CD square. That is what it is. Open the bracket. AD square plus BD square minus AD square minus CD square. AD square and minus AD square will cancel. AD square and minus AD square will cancel. I'll have BD square minus CD square. AB square minus AC square equals to BD square minus CD square. Shift this CD square this side. Shift this AC square this side. Both of them will change sides, so they'll change sign. So AB square plus CD square equals to BD square plus AC square. Are we clear? Anything in this not understood, please ask. Once it is clear, only then we'll move